Welcome to our YouTube video on brazing. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what brazing is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Brazing is a joining process where two or more metals are joined together by melting and flowing a filler metal into the joints without melting the base materials themselves. Think of brazing like using hot glue to stick objects together. The filler metal flows into the joint and solidifies, holding the parts together. So, why is it so beneficial? Because it allows engineers to create strong, leak-proof, and precise joints, works with dissimilar metals, and is widely used in plumbing, HVAC, automotive, and aerospace industries. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.